In today's video, I am going to teach you how to unlink your Gmail account from Outlook. To do this, you will be working inside Gmail because the connection Outlook uses is often maintained through forwarding settings in your Gmail account. Removing that forwarding address helps stop mail from being sent along to Outlook. Start by opening your Gmail inbox in a web browser and making sure you are signed into the correct account. Once you are on the inbox screen, look to the top right area of Gmail for the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Click that gear icon to open the Quick Settings panel. In that panel, find and click See All Settings. This takes you to the full Gmail settings page where you can manage advanced options like forwarding and mail access. Across the top of the settings page, click the tab labeled Forwarding and POP/IMAP. This is the section that controls whether Gmail is sending copies of your messages to another email address, which is a common reason Gmail appears linked to an email app like Outlook. Now focus on the forwarding area. In this section, you may see a forwarding address listed, along with options to manage it. Click directly in the forwarding section so you are looking at the current forwarding setup. If a forwarding address is present and you want to unlink it from Outlook, click Remove Address. Gmail will then prompt you to confirm that you really want to remove that forwarding destination. Click Confirm Forward Address Removal to finalize the change. After you confirm, Gmail removes the forwarding address so new incoming mail is no longer forwarded to that destination. This helps prevent Gmail messages from continuing to route into Outlook through forwarding. Finally, take a moment to double-check the forwarding section to make sure the address is gone and the forwarding status reflects the change. If you manage multiple accounts, also verify you made the update in the correct Gmail inbox, since settings are specific to each account. And that is all there is to it.